Welcome to Monster Reviews. We're going to be showing you the FEEKAA air fryer oven. So this is really neat. It has 4 knobs. It's not digital, obviously, but it has a timer. So you would just set this knob for the amount of time you would like. It has the temperature control. So you just turn the knob. It goes anywhere from 160 to 450 Fahrenheit. And it also has the Celsius degrees as well. It has 7 different functions. It has the air fry function, which is your basic air fryer, like any other air fryer. It has broil, which uses the top element only. Warm uses the bottom element only. It has the standard bake, which uses the top and bottom element, so it would be more just like a standard oven. It has a rotisserie, which it comes with all the rotisserie tools as well. And that uses the top, bottom element, and the convection air. The bake with this asterisk here, little star, it uses the top and bottom and the convection air. So you're kind of doing an air fryer oven in it using this function. Or you can do toast, which uses the top and bottom. And then you would also set what light, medium, or dark, how you would like your toast done. It comes with 3 different pans, I guess you would call them. The standard air fryer mesh basket, which I like the design of this because it would be easier to lay your French fries and things flat. It has your standard wire rack like you would find in an oven. And it has this tray, a non-stick tray, to lay your food flat in. I would suggest putting, we put foil down on these just to keep them looking brand new. Easier to clean. You just take the foil off and put it in the trash. That's what we do on all of our appliances like this. And as you can see, there's plenty of room. And then store away. Very easily slides back in there when not in use. And you can see in it really well. What does it have? Yep, it has a little light bulb in there. So normally most of them have the light bulb on when it's cooking or when it's close to being done. It comes with a little cookbook for basically tells you how to roast a chicken, a roasted rib, salmon, toast. That's if you, I guess, wanted to make your own toast, actually. Cheese pizza. So it kind of gives you guidelines for everyday foods that a lot of people will be making. Also, it has instructions on how to clean it, the parts, tells you what the parts are, about the knobs, and then the ideal foods for each function. Kind of gives you a guideline there. Here's a cooking guide. So for steak, you would want to set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And of course, based on how well or rare you like your steak, you could adjust that time. Ribs, prawns. So it has suggestions, a cooking chart for those type items, different meats. Then it has the warranty information. It has a 1-year warranty, which starts from the date of purchase. So you don't have to worry for 1 year. If anything goes wrong, they will cover that. And it also has right here what you would need and where you contact for the warranty. And then you want to write down your warranty card information on the back. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful air fryer oven. This is one of the hot new types of air fryers lately. We've had several different standard air fryers, and we've just kind of moved up from there. And now we have the air fryer oven. So I'm excited to try this out. And we're going to show you, I'm going to be cooking just some frozen chicken tenders just to show you how well this thing works. So we will, I'm going to grab my supplies to make the chicken, and we will be right back. The end product I'm putting, these are just standard, well, these are gluten-free, but they are just chicken tenders breaded from the frozen section. So I'm going to stick these in here. Plug it in. Okay, and then I'm going to set it for 375. I'm going to be using the bake with the asterisk because I do want the convection air plus the top and bottom element. And these normally take about 15 minutes in a standard air fryer. So I am going to put it right there in between the 10 and the 20 mark. And as you can see, the light turns on. I don't know if you can hear it, it's pretty quiet, but it's going. So we will come back in 15 minutes when the chicken is done, and I will show you the end product. And as you can see, I just leave the racks in there. I don't take them out. There's no need to take them out. You can if you want, but there's plenty of room for the air to go around. And I forgot to show you, there is a crumb tray in the bottom for easy cleaning. You can pull that out to get any of the crumbs, and you can see it turned off and turned back on when I opened it. I'm going to pull it from the wall just a little. So we'll be back in about 15 minutes when the chicken is done to show you the end product. Okay, so this is the chicken. Once it's done, I added a little spices. And I cut open a piece and tried it. It is delicious. It cooked it perfectly. I did not turn the chicken. I could have turned it halfway through. But as you can see on the bottom, it browned very well. This was on from the bottom burner the whole time. This is from the top burner and the convection. So you can see it does a very good job at cooking, and it's completely cooked all the way through. It's crunchy, it's delicious. So definitely it did a great job on the chicken tenders. I'm excited to try more foods in it. And here in a moment, I will give you my review of this product. Okay, so the final thoughts on the FEEKAA air fryer oven. I think it's a great product. I do have a few things that I think they could improve. The crumb tray, it's kind of down in there. I'm not going to touch it because the oven's really hot, but you would really have to dig your fingers down in there to get it. I know I could remove all this stuff, but still, most products like this that have a crumb tray, you could take them out from the outside. I know maybe that's not a capability the way this is designed, but it seems like it could have a better handle or something. That's really my only dislike on this thing. But as far as the timer, it's easy to move up and down, change the time if you need to. It's very easy to move the temperature. It's very easy to click it from the different functions. And of course the toaster is its own function. You would just put it to however you want the toast, and obviously put your toast in there. But there's also a toast function over here, so you could choose whichever you want. But this one you can actually use it like a regular toaster oven. So overall, I think it's a great product. I think it's really, really pretty. It's a really pretty decorative item in your kitchen. I do like the racks. It has they're hot. I like it that it has the 3 different style racks that you can use. We find ourselves using the flat one the most, but I do use the wire mesh for French fries, basically, for the most part is what I use that for. I don't really use this oven rack that much. That would be more if you have something in a pan sticking in there. I don't really use that much in this one, but I could see if I was baking something in a pan, yes, I would use it. But yeah, I think it's a great product. We will put the product link in the description. They sell it on Amazon, so you can check it out. And definitely, if you're in the market for an air fryer oven, which are the newest craze right now, this would be a good one to check out. I know it's not digital, But some people don't like digital. They like the simple buttons because you know that they will work. You don't have to worry about a computer board or something going out. So they are pluses and minuses to being digital, not digital. It just depends on your viewpoint on it. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.